Want to permanently block adult websites on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using your phone's built-in settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap Connections, then select More Connection Settings. Here, tap Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider hostname, then enter family.adguard-dns.com in the hostname field. Once you've entered it, tap Save. This will help block adult content across most apps and web browsers on your Android device. If you mainly use Google Chrome, there's one more setting you should enable for even better protection. Open the Chrome app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security, and tap Use Secure DNS. Choose Select Another Provider, then select Clean Browsing Family Filter from the list. That's all you need to do. Adult websites will now be blocked on your Android phone, giving you a safer browsing experience. And that's how you can permanently block adult websites on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.